Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a pizza kitchen. Setting up your own outdoor pizza kitchen can be a fun and rewarding project. First, choose a safe and level outdoor spot for your oven. Next, gather all your necessary tools, including a durable work surface and protective gear. Always prioritize safety by ensuring good airflow and adequate space around your hot oven. Once your location is set, focus on the core elements. Choose a pizza oven that fits your needs, whether it's wood-fired or gas, and consider its size. Create a dedicated preparation zone with plenty of counter space for stretching dough and topping pizzas. Don't forget smart storage for your pizza peels, brushes, and other essential cooking accessories to keep everything tidy. Efficiency is key to enjoyable pizza making. Arrange your kitchen layout to allow for a seamless transition from preparing your ingredients to sliding your pizza into the oven. Keep all your toppings and tools within easy reach to minimize movement. Remember to always maintain a clean workspace and follow safety guidelines, especially when working with high temperatures, for a stress-free experience. To ensure your pizza kitchen lasts for many years, regular maintenance is crucial. Clean your oven and tools after each use, and consider covers to protect your setup from the elements when not in operation. This care will keep your kitchen ready for your next delicious pizza night. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your outdoor space. Enjoy countless homemade pizzas with friends and family.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.